is Mr. Wiggles Part 2. So we took him from plain sand and put him in a shoebox. You can tell. And the loud noise is scaring him. The animal control still hasn't made it yet. Assholes. It's really not that far away. I just hope this little guy can make it. Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. You're okay. A little feisty, aren't you? Maybe you're just trying to get comfortable. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, baby, you're gonna end up suffocating yourself. You're okay. Let's hope they get here soon. Birdie's probably hungry. It's okay.
There you go.
It's okay. It's okay.
I guess you're good for something.
It's okay. Poor thing, he's so scared. It's okay, it's okay.
Nobody has answered yet. We're this close to just getting in the car and taking him.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Why not?
Yes, sir.
Well, he's already scared.
Yeah, but he's just gonna keep being scared because they're not showing up. It's been almost 2 hours.
That's true.
And it's 15 fucking minutes away.
What did Mom say?
I haven't spoken to her yet. I'm done holding.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing.